Welcome back, Techatonians. Welcome to another video for Samsung T7 Touch. Now, a few weeks ago, I did an interview from CES 2020 with one of the guys that are working at the CES booth, and this caught my attention a lot. Well, why you guys are like, why are you so excited about a hard drive? It's not just a hard drive. Now, this hard drive, they included a fingerprint security, so it's very hard to get into your hard drive. Plus, many of you know that are watching my channel, I already used the T5 Samsung portable SSD, and this is one of the best hard drives on the market. Not only is it because it works with my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K, but because it's very fast in speeds. Now let's quickly dive into the box and unbox it, and then we'll get into a video where I'm doing a comparison and a speed test between the T5 and the T7. Now, the T7 supports up to 1050 Mbps read speeds and 1000 write. Now this is only 550, so this is twice as fast, and we'll see that during the speed test. Now quickly jumping into the box, we got the Samsung portable SSD T7 Touch, and this is the fingerprint part. And here's the big difference between these ones. The T5 is much more, well, I wouldn't say thicker, but it is a little bit bigger. And the T7 is a little bit longer. Is that a big difference? I don't think so. Now, what else do they have in the box? They give you a USB C to C cable and a C to A cable, and then just instructions. Now, enough with unboxing. Let's jump into the speed test. I'm gonna screen record my MacBook Pro 16-inch, transfer a 6K file, and let's see how that works. All right, so I have the 6K file. I have the T5 and the T7 both plugged in. Now let me show you guys a little bit of info about the file. So as you guys could see, it's almost 30 gigs. So 30 gigs on a normal hard drive, well, it takes a while. Probably like 5 minutes minimum on like the slowest one. And yeah, everything is 6K. All the formats are in Blackmagic. So now I'm just gonna put the file in both of the hard drives, and let's see how they perform. We should expect T7 to finish twice as fast, but I mean, let's give it a shot. So first I'll put the file in T5 and then in T7. Shouldn't be a problem. And yeah, as we could see, T7 is pretty much performing as expected. So think about transferring like a terabyte of footage. Usually gonna take about 2 hours. Now with a T7, it's gonna cut that time dramatically. So it all comes down to your time. Is your time worth the upgrade from T5 to T7 for extra $100? Is $100 worth 50% of your time? For me, yes. I transfer a lot of footage, so this speeds it up much faster. So let me delete the file again from both the folders. So now we already know that T5 is slower, but what if I put the file into T7 10 seconds later? Let's, I mean, T7 will still finish faster by 10 seconds then. So right now it finished by 20 seconds, so get it? I'm lost as well. Let's see. It's so weird how T7 is just, that's fast. Imagine couple years down the line where we're transferring 1 terabyte files in 5-10 minutes. So just like expected, T7 will finish 10 seconds ahead, but started 10 seconds behind. And that is a speed test for you guys. Now, let's quickly install the software on the T7, and let's see if we could do the fingerprint setup and how that works. So the software already comes inside the hard drive, so just open it up. It's only 20 megs. And I believe the software will ask me to restart my computer, so I'll restart the screen record after the software is done. And when you install the software, you get that little PSSD file on your desktop, and I guess we are gonna be using that to register your finger for the T7 drive. And this is taking a little bit longer than expected. What, I guess, installation of software is longer than transferring files. I'm learning things. Okay. Oh, we're moving now. Almost there. You could do it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go grab a coffee. I'll be back. I recommend y'all to do the same. This is the longest 20 megabyte upload or software install or whatever you want to call. Hello? Oh. Are we gonna restart now? Are we gonna restart? About a minute. It's the longest minute of my life. Alright, so let's restart the computer. Alright, so it did the update and now it asks me to restart. So we're gonna go ahead and restart. I'm gonna have the Samsung drive still plugged in the whole time. Okay, so the drive is working. And now I guess I open this. That is so weird. All right, guys, so let's try one more time. I'm looking at the instructions. I ejected it. Plug it in again. And right here it says LED rotation is doing the data transfer. And then it stops. Connect power. So the power is connected. But still nothing. Alright, so I will be contacting Samsung, guys, and I'll leave a comment and pin the comment below. Let you know what Samsung tells me, because this is an issue if there's a fingerprint but you can't use it and the software is not working. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, because hopefully you guys are curious just as I am to find out what is going on with this software. See you in the next video.